In front of me is Nokia 235 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening menu and selecting an app called Extras. Then scroll all the way down to hit recorder and to start recording, hit middle button. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the same one. To discard your recording right away, click on the right one and choose OK. To end it and save it though, click on the left one. Now name it however you wish to and hit OK again. To find your recording, you need to make sure recorder is off and then click on left button. To play it, click on it. And to get rid of it, click on left button again and choose delete all. Sorry, misclick. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!